Hi, welcome, and in today's video, we'll talk about why your Dyson fan is blinking a red light and how to fix it. Let's get started. Your Dyson fan is blinking a red light because you need to clean the filters. Dyson fans have filters that can accumulate dust and dirt after being used for a while. If you forget to clean them, it can lead to this issue. Fortunately, cleaning the filters is a simple task. Here's how to disconnect your fan from the power supply by unplugging it from the socket or turning off the associated circuit breaker. Remove the fan filters if you need help removing them. Refer to the user manual for a procedure specific to your model. Gently hand wash the filters in cold water, ensuring all the dirt comes off. Avoid using any detergent. Air dry the filters for 24 hours to ensure they contain no trapped moisture. Replace the filters in your fan and reconnect it to the power supply. Switch on your fan and observe it to see if the issue is resolved. If the issue reoccurs, contact Dyson customer support via the phone number provided in the description for further assistance. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Till next time.